How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment for big and small trucks, vans, buses, SUVs, bicycles, tricycles, unicycles, wood chippers, box trucks, everything in between. What you're looking at right now, a big, beautiful 2021 F-550 Super Duty cabin chassis. This is a big box truck for a good client of ours, Flood Brothers. You might have seen some of their other vehicles running around the road with some of our lighting, perhaps. This is a unique build. We spec'd out exactly what the owner asked for. We've got some sound-off mpower lights on this one. Owner wanted to try those out a little bit and see what they were all about, so we obliged. Got them in-house for him. We've got them in an X pattern, alternate flash color like that. These are the mpower lights, again, by Sound Off Signal. It's a service truck, so we didn't go with anything real aggressive on the flash patterns. It's not going to do any high-speed pursuits. There'll actually be quite a number of times where mechanics and other personnel are walking around outside the truck while the lights are on, so we didn't want any of these to be just irritating to look at. So we've got a simple, classy, amber-white alternation going on. Along the side of the truck there in the badges, you can see our Thin-X LIN Series 2 amber white. That's again a double flash alternating amber white full illumination. You can have that badge light flash amber or white or amber and white. By the way, we're activating all this off the factory auxiliary switches right up on the headliner. We're using switches number 1, 2, and 3. We've also done some work around the back of this vehicle. You can see there reflecting off the door, and a little bit of work inside the box. So let me pull it forward and show you what I'm talking about. But before that, I want to show you some of these side lights. These were owner supplied. They're made by Rigid Industries. We can special order them for you if you like. But here on the side of the vehicle, we have some amber floodlights. Now these spread about a 70-degree angle outward and widthwise down on the ground. And they add some illumination next to the truck at night. Let me shut off the lights and show you what I mean. Alrighty, so with all the shop lights off, here you can see on the left how it's illuminating the wall, and what you get here over on the right definitely illuminates the ground real nice all around the truck. And with that soft yellow amber light, it's not going to be offensive to any passing by motorists or overly bright to the mechanics working. I actually kind of like this. It's not bad. You can see the amount of light it throws. It's a significant amount. And the only thing in the shop right now is those 4 rigid side lights that are on this truck. Everything else, as you can see, is turned off. So that's kind of the amount of light you're going to get. I say they're worth it, but I do prefer the Technique light that we sell over this. It's white and it's bigger. So we'll have links to both in the description. Of course, we couldn't have all the fun on only the sides of the truck. Client supplied us with a couple of rigid lights for the rear too. Those are Dually XL up there in white, down on about a 30-degree angle. And there it is with the lights overhead off. You can certainly see the spot of light on the floor here. Let me widen this out a little bit for you. So that's what we're getting with the rigid Dually XL. Got your fisheye lens. You can see how the sides are totally illuminating the shop in their amber light, but those Dually XLs really do produce. Now in real life, that spot of circle on the floor of light is probably about 20 feet wide and about 12 feet deep. And those Dually XLs, just for reference, on the top of the truck are at about 5 feet center to center spread, roughly. So that's the amount of light you're going to get. And here's what we went for with warning in the back. We've got the same mpower. Again, client requested and supplied from us here at Wicked Warnings. Got the mpowers alternating in an amber white flash. We went with this particular arrangement, spec built for the client, because this loading ramp is most often, while the truck is working, going to be down. So once the truck is outfitted to be a repair truck, obviously there'll be a lot more stuff inside of it, but this will be the standard mode of operation. Back gate open, ready to do the repairs, in and out as you see. So this is what we went with. Inside the truck there, you can see we added a couple of overhead lights. Those are Maxima lights. That's just to make the inside nice and bright and white for the customer. It's going to get a full build out as well with all kinds of toolboxes, etc., for mobile repair. Right now, this is as far as we're going to take it here at Wicked Warnings. Again, like I say, we're activating all of this off of the factory auxiliary switches. Hope you enjoyed this build. Keep in mind that this was a special order spec built vehicle. Before I forget, we also added that camera up there, and we're going to tie that camera into the OEM 8-inch screen. So just because the truck didn't come with a camera doesn't mean you can't have one. Here at Wicked Warnings, we're able to do the cameras and integrate it to the original 8-inch screen in the dashboard, no problem. So once again, thanks for watching. Any information you want on this build, just give us an email or check the links in the description. We'll try to get you situated and set up. Remember to smash that like and subscribe button. Share this with your favorite friends. Take a look. Keep your eyes open on the street for trucks that we might have done. We'll see you on the next video.